How to add bank account on Binance. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Binance app on your device and log in to your device and tap on the trade option from the bottom of your screen and further select the P2P option. Now, tap on your profile icon and then tap on the payment method option you see there. You will then see the Add a New Payment Method button on the bottom. Tap on that and then select All Payment Methods option. Now, choose a preferred payment method from the available payment options. Enter your payment details and tap on the Confirm button. And finally, verify the request with your 2FA device and the new payment method will be available immediately. So this is how you can add bank account on Binance. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.